What's going on, guys? Today I'm really excited because Samsung blessed us and they released their S25 Ultra a whole week early. If you guys got a pre-order, should have been here February 7th, but it's here right now, January 30th. So definitely a whole week and a day early, and I'm super pumped to unbox the Jet Black Edition. This is Samsung exclusive. I will throw some links down below. You can still get a pre-order and get some pretty cool gifts like what I got inside here. So check out my links down below if you're interested in picking it up. But let's go ahead, unbox it, and see what we get inside. Now again, I love Samsung's packaging. This is some eco-friendly packaging. And yes, I am super excited. Bam! Jet Black S25 Ultra and the Buds 3 Pro for free. I always love a freebie. And Samsung's trade-in programs right now are super boosted. I'm about to get $600 for my old Pixel 8 Pro. We all know this is not worth $600, but I'm about to trade it in. So if you guys got an old phone, Samsung is definitely blessing you with some increased values this time around. Here are the Buds. I'm going to test them out and do a whole separate review. If you pick this up as well, let me know which color you got. I'm really excited to see the Jet Black. Now Samsung's packaging is getting thinner and thinner. 100% for show, it's getting thinner and thinner. Of course, there's no charger in the box. Shame on you, Samsung, but I'm beating a dead horse. It is what it is, guys. Thankfully, we do get a SIM eject tool, but I'm going to be setting this up with an eSIM. And thankfully as well, we get a standard USB-C cable on the inside here. This is usually about 3 feet, 3.3 feet. Let's go ahead and just unwrap it. I got a ton of these around. Blah. Yep, about 3.3 feet, standard edition. This is the Jet Black Edition. And wow, this is definitely super, super nice, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look. All Jet Black means everywhere around it's black. And you can tell I still got it because we still got a little bit of frost on the phone here. But Jet Black is definitely the way to go. Let's go ahead and peel off the magic, turn it on. Now right off the bat, guys, this is definitely a lot more comfortable to hold than the S24 Ultra was. We get these rounded corners, so it's not digging into the palm of your hand like the older edition was. And it's more boxy, kind of I'm going to call this the G-Wagon of S Ultra lines. It's pretty much the same, guys. I mean, it's the same design architecture, but the Fruit Company's been doing the same iteration for years and years, so I'm not really going to bash Samsung for that either. It's a nice iteration. Is it definitely an S upgrade? I would say it's an S upgrade, but that 8 Elite is probably going to be pimp. Now taking a look at the S Pen, as you know, they took away Bluetooth functionality, but I am not that 1% of users that actually use the Bluetooth. I've never used Bluetooth on the phone, so I'm not really butthurt about that either. If you guys are, let me know down in the comments below. But I am digging this phone color for sure. Let me go ahead and set up my information. We'll come back and just kind of check it out together. Again, I'll throw some links down below. Let me know which color you got as well. But I like the feel. It's a lot lighter. Feels more and more comfortable in the hand as well. And yeah, I am digging this phone. But I'm going to go ahead and click on start and set up my phone. So I'll be right back in 2 seconds. I've gone ahead and set up the phone and I've been playing with it for a couple minutes now. And I have to stress that it is much lighter and more comfortable in your hand. Now granted, I'm going to have a whole bunch of cases. I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos on cases. If you want to know anything or a case in particular, let me know down in the comments below. But I got a whole bunch of accessories coming. I'm not a type of person that can use a phone without a case. I just live in a too busy of a place to do that. But the titanium rails should do a much better job, and that improved armor glass on the front should also do a much better job. If you like to rock your phone raw dog, you're going to be very happy with the in-hand feel. I think this is an awesome, awesome looking phone. And now that it's warmed up a little bit, you can see it's doing a pretty decent job of not collecting a ton of fingerprints. So again, the black will always show more fingerprints than some other colors out there, but I just think the Jet Black looks super cool. Let me know what you think about this one, but so far, again, I just booted it up. Everything is really snappy as you'd expect. I haven't loaded all my apps in. It's still downloading. This is more of just the unboxing and initial first take about how the phone actually feels. And I gotta tell you, don't wait on this phone if you were thinking about picking it up. I actually really like the design. I like the new camera lenses. They do protrude a little bit more than the older generation, not gonna lie, but I quite like it. I quite think it looks snazzy and classy and Dark Knight-ish. I feel like Batman right now. I got the all Jet Black phone, and those camera lenses are making me feel some type of way. Tramp stamps also make me feel some type of way. So there it is right there. USB-C charging. Again, that S Pen. Disappointed it's not a black S Pen to match the color. After all, it is a special limited edition color from Samsung. Well, take limited edition as you will. But that's really it, guys. I'm going to have some more videos coming up in the next days, weeks, months. You know the deal. Appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.